In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a new Blazor WebAssembly application, reference the DevExpress NuGet feed, and add a DevExpress Blazor component. We'll start by creating a new Blazor project. Select the Blazor app, give it a name and location, and click Create. The DevExpress Blazor suite supports both server and WebAssembly apps. To add the WebAssembly application template, use the following command on the Windows command line. For more details about Blazor server apps, follow the link in the upper right corner. For now, select the Blazor WebAssembly app and click Create. DevExpress Blazor components are distributed as NuGet packages. Go to nuget.devexpress.com, log in as a registered DevExpress customer, and click Obtain Feed URL to retrieve your personal link to our NuGet feed. In Visual Studio, go to Tools, NuGet Package Manager, Package Manager Settings. Navigate to NuGet Package Manager, Package Sources. Click the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new NuGet package source. Specify the NuGet feed name and paste your personal link to our NuGet feed into the source field. Make sure the NuGet.org package source is also enabled. Now, select Tools, NuGet Package Manager, Manage NuGet Packages for Solution to manage NuGet packages for your solution. Select the newly created DevExpress NuGet package source and install the DevExpress.Blazor NuGet package. Make sure that the checkbox Include Pre-Releases is unchecked. Tick the checkbox in front of your application name and click Install to install the latest release package version. Now, let's build the project. Add the following line to the index.html file. Call the Add DevExpress Blazor method from the method startup.configure services in your project. Register the DevExpress.Blazor namespace in the file imports.razor. Add content to the index.razor file. I've added the date edit component with the current date selected. Now let's take a look at this in the browser. And that's it for this video. If you want to learn more about our Blazor controls, check out the documentation on our website, or you can watch more videos from this playlist. Also, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you know when we release new content. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.